everyone, I am Roshni and you're watching Property Cloud. Today we are going to talk about Satwa Lumina, a premium high-rise residential development located in the rapidly growing Yelahanka region of North Bangalore. In this video, we will talk about the project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and everything else you need to know before considering this project. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Satwa Lumina is a thoughtfully planned residential township located at Rajakunte of Doddabalapura Road near Yelahanka. This project is spread across approximately 13 acres, and this development has been designed for people who want the convenience of the city living while staying connected to the nature. And one of the standout features of this project is its beautiful view of Nagdasanahalli Lake, which adds a sense of openness and tranquility to everyday life. The project comprises total 3 impressive high-rise towers rising up to 30 floors with around 1,553 residences planned within the development. And what makes Satwa Lumina special is the way it combines scenic surrounding, modern infrastructure and excellent connectivity into one integrated community. The position is expected around November 2029, making it an attractive option for both end users and long-term investors. And now talking about the location and connectivity, Presidency University is just about 5 minutes away, while the Padukun Dravid Center for Sports Excellence can be reached in around 10 minutes. Yelahanka railway station and bus terminal are approximately 15 minutes away, making daily commuting convenient. For shopping and entertainment, Mall of Asia and Galleria Mall are both within a 20-minute drive. Overall, the location offers a perfect mix of peaceful surrounding and a strong connectivity. Now coming to the amenities and lifestyle part, so Satwa Lumina has been designed as a self-sustained residential community where lifestyle and convenience come together seamlessly. Residents will have access to a massive 45,000 square feet clubhouse that serves as the social and recreational hub of the project. The development also features a 25,000 square feet multi-level retail mall, and more than 2 acres have been dedicated to landscape park and green spaces, creating a refreshing environment for residents. The apartment features spacious 5-foot wide balconies, allowing residents to enjoy better view, ventilation and natural light. Now let's talk about the pricing and configuration. So Satwa Lumina offers a wide range of apartment configurations, making it suitable for different types of buyers. The project includes studio, 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK apartment. Apartment sizes ranges from approximately 424 square feet to 1795 square feet, giving buyers multiple options based on their lifestyle and budget requirement. The price starts from approximately 38.54 lakh rupees onwards, with the rates beginning at around 9,000 rupees per square feet, considering the scale of the development, location advantage and the lake view setting. The project offers an attractive value proposition in North Bangalore. And now talking about the booking process, so the bookings are currently open and early buyers can benefit from better inventory choices and attractive launch phase pricing. With Yelahanka and Rajankunte continuing to witness significant infrastructure growth, improved connectivity and increasing residential demand, and this location is expected to remain a strong performer in the years ahead. For brochure, pricing detail, payment plan or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.